Hello, 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 hello. Today's product review is going to be Post Fruity Pebbles candy bar. Now you're wondering where I may have gotten this from. On one of my tours at the dollar store, or actually the Dollar Tree, I came across this. Now, for my diabetic brothers and sisters, this is not going to be a treat for you. I don't even need to look at it before I can tell. But let's take a quick look. Let's see. So a serving size. This contains 3 serving sizes. A single serving size of 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, 6 grams of saturated fats. Excuse me. Let's see. 30 milligrams of sodium, no vitamin D, 20 milligrams of calcium, and let's see, no fiber, 18 grams of carbs, 17 total sugars, plus an additional 15 added. Lots of sugar. So we got 1 gram of protein and 57 grams of potassium. Okay. Let's see what it's going to taste like. Whew. Fruity Pebbles candy bar. Isn't that something? Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. See that? Look at that. Let's do a quick. Wow. This literally smells like Fruity Pebbles. Probably because that's what that is right there. Yes, this is definitely full of sugar. And I'm going to just take a piece like this. Wow, it smells wonderful. That's not bad at all. This literally tastes like I'm eating Fruity Pebbles right out of a bowl. Wow. They did an amazing job with this because I can almost taste the milk. That's quite impressive. I don't really eat a lot of candy, but this is actually really good. If you love Fruity Pebbles, this is your niche. This is absolutely delicious. But if you have diabetes, better stay away from this. This will spike your blood sugar to all good. But it's delicious. What will I rate it? This is a solid 9. I don't even have to think about it. This is absolutely really, really good. This is going to be my last piece. I'm going to donate the rest of it to someone else. Because I'm not eating all this. Let their blood sugar spike. But, yeah. Fruity Pebbles candy bar. Quite delicious. Until next time, family. Take care of yourself.